In today's complex business world, leaders should be prepared to use different leadership styles to effectively manage their teams based on the needs of the organization. I am Coach Grenville, and here are the top 5 leadership styles that I have used effectively to bring the best out of my team. The most commonly prevalent style is being autocratic. This is a traditional boss worker structure where the management decides and the workers do. This is helpful to execute a vision effectively and efficiently, and also helps align the team even though they are not mature enough to understand the intent behind what is being done. The risk of using this style indiscriminately is that you would have very dissatisfied workers, as they would not understand why they are being forced to do what they would consider as not required in their day-to-day work. But used effectively, you can align the workers properly to the final goal and the vision and bring the best out of them. The next is being democratic. This style requires you to solicit the group's opinion to find solutions. Members are more likely to offer genuine support as they are vested in the suggestions that they have provided. The one good part about this style is that you have a consensus which helps weigh the risks in your decision making. However, this is not appropriate if you have a business emergency or you're trying to fix an issue or a crisis. In my opinion, delegation is the most misunderstood and most misused way of leadership. Delegation empowers staff with minimal directive. The team resolves the issues on their own and uses the group strength and the cross-functional ability of the team to solve the problems. This style has the highest job satisfaction as the team finds the solutions and also implements them. However, to be able to use this style, you need to have a highly trained and skilled team, as well as a highly motivated team of people who work together to find solutions without needing the directive of the supervisor or the leader. I have used this style very effectively with my team and have seen awesome results by implementing this style of delegation. The single trait that differentiates a great leader from a normal one is the ability to envisage the future and be able to execute it to take a team of people towards that vision. Transformational style of leadership is very much a visionary way of doing things. This is an ideal style to introduce a new concept or direction. It inspires a very powerful and progressive outlook. However, it needs a very strong connect with the team and the ability to generate a high level of commitment from the team to change this vision into a reality. This, however, creates a very united and focused approach to doing things and is able to take the whole team as well as the organization towards the vision that has been set for them to accomplish. Servant leadership is something that has been there since time immemorial. However, something that has been making the rounds in the management circles of late. As we all agree, people are the most important business component. And this style uses the concept that a satisfied team will produce good work. This works best with an authoritative style. However, the understanding is that you are the one providing the support to the team, and the team is the one that is implementing the output. I have used this style very effectively to bring the best out of my team and help them perform at the highest level of operation. So these are the 5 leadership styles that I have used effectively in my long career managing teams and has helped me bring the best out of my team and make them into a finely oiled unit. No one style is better than the other. The secret of great leadership is the ability to transition between one style to another smoothly and learn how to use the appropriate style for the moment and the requirement of the team and the organization. I'm sure you learned something new today from this video, which would help you in your day-to-day work to bring the best out of your team and your organization. Please do not forget to comment on the content and how I could make my videos better to bring the best value out of them. Also remember to like and share this video with others, as this would help spread the information I take a lot of effort to prepare. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to follow similar videos that I present once a week. This is Coach Grenville wishing you well and asking you to stay safe.